Okay, so welcome back to using ratio for recipe questions. So it's quite nice. Some of you might be doing some home baking now with some of your time off. I know that I am. Had some nice bagels the other day, gluten-free, obviously. Gluten-free, so no cameras there. So here are the ingredients to make 8 pancakes. James makes 24. Work out how much milk he needs. Okay, so it's if you like, it's like a ratio question, but more perhaps we can think of it as proportion. So all these ingredients make 8, and I need to just get to 24. Okay, so I just need to decide how many times bigger this is. Okay, so for 8 pancakes to get to 24, it's just 3 times bigger. Okay, so we look for what we might call a scale factor for our proportion. So it says work out how much milk he needs. Okay, so we find our milk. Here it is, 250 ml of milk. I just got 3 times more than that. Okay, so it's going to be 250 times by 3, which gives us 750 ml. Okay, Kate makes 12 pancakes. Work out how much flour she needs. So this is where now it's quite nice to write it as a ratio. Okay, so for 8 pancakes, so we're going to have pancakes here, if I can spell it, and we are looking at flour. Okay, so flour up here. We need 140 grams. Okay, so 8 pancakes, 140 grams. So now I need 12 pancakes. So now I can't, well, you can, to be honest, you can go straight to 12 if you find the multiplier. So you could just do 12 divided by 8 to figure out how many times bigger 8 needs to be to get to 12. Okay, or if we want a non-calculator method, we might go, okay, well, I could halve this down to 4 pancakes. So I'll divide this by 2 as well. That's 70 grams would be needed for 4, and that's quite nice. And we can get ourselves back up to 12 now by multiplying by 3. And there we go, 210 grams for Kate's 12 pancakes. So you might have a different way of doing that. So just check your answer against that, and if you're happy that it works, brilliant, you can use that every time. So here are the ingredients. Making fish pie for 6. Jill wants to make fish pie for 3, so that's the easy one. We just see it's just half the amount. So half the amount of flour, and that's going to be 90 grams there. Okay. But now Tim wants 15 people. Work out how much milk he needs. Okay. So we'll do the other way this time. We could say, right, well, 15 divided by 6. Let's get a number on that. So if we're not sure, we can pull out our calculator. So 15 divided by 6, we get 2.5. Okay. So what that means is if I want to get from 6 people up to 15, I just need 2.5 times each of the ingredients that I've got there. Okay, so if we now look for how much milk he needs, that's 180, so 2.5 times more than that, 180 times 2.5, so 180 times 2 is 360, half of 180 is 90, so 360 out of 90, and we get to 450. Okay. Okay. Right, so question 3, so our last one here. So got 6 people here, we want to make it for 18. So 6 times 3, there's our multiplier this time. You'll notice that obviously 18 divided by 6 is also 3. So that's the same method as we did before there. So even with the harder ones, we're actually still using the easy method, just intuitively you know that 6 goes into 18 3 times. So caster sugar, we want now 100 grams, we want 3 times more, so that's 300 grams for that. Okay, so 100 times 3. Sid makes a pineapple sorbet, and he uses 2 lemons. Work out how many people he makes them. So assuming he's got as much of the other stuff he needs, okay. So normally you need half a lemon, and now he needs 2. Okay, so if we do a half times by 4, we would get to 2, or we can do 2 divided by half, 2 into half, so it gives you 4 pieces. Okay, so that means our multiplier is this 4. I'm going to have to make everything 4 times bigger in order to figure out what the recipe is. So how many people is he making them for? Well, normally the recipe is for 6. That recipe just got 4 times bigger, so we do 6 times 4, and we'll get a recipe for 24 people. Okay, so hopefully that was useful, and again, hopefully that's made some of the questions on MathsWatch a little bit easier.